OperaWine, OperaWine, OperaWine!
Hello, my name is Ettore Nicoletto. I'm the CEO with the Santa Margherita Wine Group, one of the largest companies in the wine business in Italy, based in Veneto. This time we present our Santa Margherita Prosecco Superiore di Conegliano Valdobbiadene DOCG.
3 words to describe your wine.
Well, the wine is an excellent expression of the Prosecco territory, Prosecco obviously the historical area, fragrant, intriguing, and of fine complexity.
How do you make people fall in love with your wine?
Well, its fine bubbles speak for themselves. As I said before, it's a very fascinating, mouth-refreshing, and complex sparkling wine from Italy.